Hi guys, and welcome to my very first studio vlog. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dorothea and I'm a crochet designer and blogger. I make step-by-step crochet tutorials, I talk about yarn, and I share tips and tricks for crocheters. So if you're new here on this channel, please consider subscribing and turning on post notifications so you won't miss any of my future videos. I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is my very first studio vlog. I'm going to show you behind the scenes of Croby patterns. You will be able to see what I do on a daily basis, so how the patterns are made, how I order yarn, what yarn I use. I will be sharing some tips and tricks that I usually don't share when I post tutorials. So I will give you behind the scenes what is going on the daily basis with Croby patterns. You will be following me around what I do every day, and I hope that will be interesting to you and get a bigger idea what is going on with Croby patterns and how everything is made. So today is Monday. I have a ton of stuff to do. So we are going to start with the voiceover for this week's video tutorial. If you're watching this vlog, this video tutorial is already up on my channel. It's a tutorial for Crochet Baby Bonnet, and I know it doesn't look so easy to make, but this pattern is super simple because you just follow the stitches from the row below. So let's do the voiceover. Hi guys, today is Tuesday and it's just another day in the studio. I'm still working on a video tutorial for Crochet Baby Bonnet, and the video editing is taking quite a while. There is still a little bit of voiceover that I have to record and finish PDF pattern. I have to go through the text and then add a couple of more pictures to it, but I think I can do the whole thing in the next 2 hours, 3 hours maybe. Honestly, I can't really wait for the pattern to be released, to be published on my blog and YouTube channel, and for you guys to see it and hopefully use it for your next project. It's always so nice to see your creations using my crochet patterns. I'm going to go now and I am going to finish my voiceover and a PDF pattern. And after that, we are going to go and open this huge box of yarn and we will see what's inside. The video is now complete. I recorded the whole voiceover, so the voiceover is finished. And what I have to do now is to export the video and upload it to YouTube. And this is the video. I edit all my videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, which is a video editing tool. And this is how everything looks before exporting. The video is about 25 minutes long and it will take a good hour or maybe 2 to export it. And this is a PDF pattern. I really like how it came out, and I don't know if any of you noticed, but I changed the color of the background this year. Last year was blush pink and this year is this beautiful pastel green color. That was a PDF pattern, but I can't really show you much out of the respect of people who are actually buying my crochet patterns and support my work that way. The PDF pattern includes one additional size, so next to the 0 to 6 months that is available in my YouTube video and on my blog, PDF pattern also has size 6 to 12 months, which is available in the PDF version of the pattern only. Okay, so as I promised earlier, I'm going to show you what's in this box here. We're gonna open it together and see what's inside. very interesting yarn is this one here. I'm probably going to use it for amigurumi toys. Then this one here is super soft. It's from Go Homemade. And the yarn is called Teddy, which is a perfect name if you ask me. Then I have 4 skeins of Yarn and Colors yarn, 3 skeins of pastel pink, and 1 skein of cream. The rest is mostly just cotton yarn from Drops Paris and Yarn and Colors Epic Yarn. I got it in different colors, but mostly vintage pink, brick, orange, green, and blue. I'm going to leave the list of yarn I bought in the description box below if any of you is interested in getting any of it. Okay, so what I'm planning to do next is I am going to check if everything was in the box, and then I'm going to go and put all the yarn into my yarn stash. So I'm going to put all the yarn into the drawers where I keep my yarn. So let's do that now. And this is the final result. I had to rearrange a little bit so I could fit all of it into one drawer. I put some of it onto the shelves, mostly shades of pink, beige, and brick. Here are a couple of colors that don't fit anywhere else at the moment. They won't stay here, but I will see what I can do with them. I really like this green and yellow color together. It reminds me of spring. If you maybe have any pattern ideas that you would like to see with those 2 colors, let me know in the comments below, and I will see what I can do. So that was my Yarn and Colors cotton yarn collection, and this is my Paris drops drawer. If the yarn is laying down like so and not standing up like this, that's a bad sign, and that means that my yarn stash is probably too full and that I have to stop ordering more yarn and start crocheting and working on new patterns, and that's probably the situation at the moment. Now I'm going to start working on the pattern that is going to hopefully be published next week. I can't say for sure because I have no idea how much time it's going to take me to finish the pattern, so to film the tutorial and write the PDF pattern and write the blog post. So it's quite a lot of work. I'm going to end the vlog here because I don't want to spoil the surprise and show you the pattern just yet. You're gonna have to wait just a little bit longer. So that's pretty much everything for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy watching video vlogs, so I will know if I should do more of them in the future, as well as if you have any video ideas. Those are always very welcome. If you came this far in the video, leave a little yarn emoji in the comment section below so I will know. Oh yeah, and use a coupon code vlog001 to get 15% off on your entire purchase in my Etsy shop, and the coupon code applies for bundles as well, which is an amazing deal. The coupon code will expire on a day I will post another vlog. Hopefully that will be next Sunday. Have a great week, crochet something cute, and I see you guys very soon. Bye!